I'm going to pull off at the Rainbow Curve Lookout, try to film a little bit of the view from up there. After that, I'm planning on heading on down to Grand Lake. By then it should be about lunchtime, and try to find some place to eat. Degrees now. Might have to turn on my heated seat and grips if it keeps dropping. There's some elk over there. Hopefully I can zoom in on my editor enough to see them. Now 53 degrees as the temp just keeps dropping. Had to turn on the heated grips, wearing my summertime gloves, so I didn't want to switch out of them. Luckily it really worked well heating up my hands. Well, it's cruising along in these twisties here, and I'm enjoying it because I'm in no hurry. Lots It's the twisties, as you can see looking at the GPS map. I'm using the Waze app, W-A-Z-E app, through Android Auto, that is. Time for another cup of coffee as soon as possible. Today is Flag Day, but it's also National Bourbon Day. Yeah, if I was in Tennessee, I'd be on the Bourbon Trail testing out some bourbons, as long as somebody else is doing all the driving for me. Well, that's got the velvet on the horns on that big elk. Yeah, he seems to be enjoying that. Flowers down there, whatever it is he's eating. On the other side of the road, there's two bull elk eating.